Welcome to Nvidia GTC 2025, where we unveil groundbreaking innovations that are accelerating the autonomous vehicle revolution. These include three essential computers: Nvidia DGX for AI training, Omniverse and Cosmos for simulation and synthetic data generation, and Drive AGX for in-vehicle compute and inference. In his keynote, Jensen Huang announced that General Motors, the largest U.S. automaker, will use all three computers to develop next-generation vehicles, factories, and robots. By adopting Nvidia's cloud-to-car technology, GM is setting a new standard for AI-driven automotive innovation, from manufacturing to real-world deployment. Safety is our #1 priority. That's why we introduced Nvidia Halos, the only full-stack safety system unifying vehicle architecture, AI models, chips, software, tools, and services for autonomous vehicle development from cloud to car. With more than 15,000 engineering years, 1,000 patents filed, 7 million lines of safety-assessed code, and more, Nvidia is making a substantial investment to ensure AI-driven systems are safe, secure, and reliable. A key component of Halos is the Nvidia AI Systems Inspection Lab, focusing on inspecting our partner software and systems and verifying that they meet the automotive industry's strict safety and cybersecurity standards. Partners can leverage Nvidia Halos to accelerate development, enhance AV safety, and customize safety elements to drive the future of autonomous technology. We also introduced new Cosmos World Foundation models to advance physical AI systems. Cosmos Transfer creates physics-grounded photoreal outputs with Nvidia Omniverse. Cosmos Predict generates future world states. And Cosmos Reason enables chain-of-thought reasoning. At this GTC, we're excited to have released a Cosmos Transfer model, fine-tuned on AV data. The Omniverse blueprint for AV simulation integrates the Cosmos Transfer World Foundation model to enhance data diversity, creating richer simulation environments. With the ability to add conditions such as lighting, weather, and geolocation, developers can turn one drive into hundreds. We're also opening up our physical AI dataset to enhance robotics and AV development. Now available in Hugging Face, this release helps accelerate model training and validation with over 320,000 trajectories for robotics training and up to 1,000 sim-ready assets. To further streamline AV development, we've expanded NVIDIA Inference microservices to automotive across DGX and AGX. By providing AI models with standardized APIs, NIMs simplify integration, reducing development time and infrastructure complexity for AI-powered applications. NVIDIA's automotive ecosystem continues to grow. Volvo is using DGX to analyze sensor data for future safety models, unlocking new insights to enhance vehicle intelligence. And Lenovo and Neuro are creating AI-powered Level 4 AV system, setting new industry standards for safety and reliability. We're also transforming trucking and middle-mile delivery. Companies like Gatik, Uber Freight, and Torque are integrating NVIDIA Drive AGX to enhance safety, efficiency, and automation in freight operations, helping to address driver shortages and optimize logistics. And Magna has signed as a key Tier 1 supplier of NVIDIA Blackwell-based Drive Thor. At the show, vehicles from Volvo Cars, Neuro, Wave, Rivian, Polestar, Lucid showcase cutting-edge technology, all powered by NVIDIA Drive AGX. GTC attendees can even get behind the wheel, experiencing the power of AI-driven innovation as they take a test drive. We're also showcasing the Pebble Flow, an electric travel trailer that leverages NVIDIA Drive for technology integrations and capabilities like automated hitching. One of the best parts of GTC, the incredible sessions. Leaders from Waymo, General Motors, Rivian, Waabi, Ford, Uber, and others shared insights on AI-driven mobility. We even hosted an AV Safety Day, showcasing NVIDIA's commitment to pioneering safe and secure autonomous vehicles with NVIDIA Halos. Missed it live? No problem. All GTC sessions are available on demand. GTC 2025 has been incredible. The autonomous revolution is here, and NVIDIA is driving it forward.